Welcome back, everyone. If you're here, you're probably thinking about the best ways to invest your money and secure your financial future. Maybe you've dabbled in stocks, or maybe you're just getting started with saving. But today, we're going to dive into what many consider the most powerful, stable, and rewarding investment you can make: real estate. There are plenty of reasons why real estate has been a top choice for savvy investors over the years. But what makes it so appealing? What sets it apart from other investment options like stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies? Well, today we're counting down the top 10 reasons why real estate is the best investment for your future. So sit tight, grab a notebook, and let's get started. 10. Real estate is a tangible asset. At number 10, we've got one of the most obvious but important reasons. Real estate is a tangible asset. This means that unlike stocks or cryptocurrencies, real estate is something you can physically see, touch, and improve. If you buy a house or a piece of land, you own something real. This can give investors a sense of security that other types of investments simply don't offer. When you invest in stocks, you're betting on the performance of a company, but with real estate, you have direct control over your assets. And remember, no matter what happens in the economy, people will always need places to live, work, and do business. Real estate will always hold some level of intrinsic value. So if you're looking for something solid and dependable, real estate is the way to go. 9. Steady and reliable cash flow. Coming in at number 9 is one of the most attractive aspects of real estate: steady cash flow. When you own rental properties, you can collect rent every single month. This creates a reliable source of income that can help you cover your mortgage, property taxes, and other expenses. Imagine this. Every month, money is coming in, whether you're working or not. It's a classic example of passive income. As long as you manage your property well, you'll continue to receive rent payments from your tenants. And here's the best part. While you're earning rental income, your property itself is likely appreciating in value. So you're getting paid today, and you're setting yourself up for future financial gains. It's a win-win. 8. Real estate appreciates over time. At number 8, let's talk about appreciation. Real estate tends to go up in value over time. Sure, the market has its ups and downs, but historically, property values have increased in the long run. Think about it. The house you buy today for $300,000 could be worth $500,000 or even more in 15 or 20 years. And that's not just because of inflation, it's because land and property become more valuable as demand increases and cities grow. So not only can you make money from renting out your property, but your asset itself becomes more valuable over time. This makes real estate a long-term wealth-building strategy that can pay off big in the future. Number 7. Real estate comes with tax benefits. Next up at number 7 are the tax advantages of real estate investing. One of the biggest perks of owning property is the tax benefits that come along with it. For example, you can deduct things like mortgage interest, property taxes, and even depreciation from your taxable income. Depreciation is a unique advantage in real estate. Even though your property may be appreciating in value, the government allows you to deduct a portion of the property's value as though it's wearing out. It's a way to reduce your tax liability without actually losing value. And when you eventually decide to sell, you can take advantage of tax strategies like a 1031 exchange, which lets you defer capital gains taxes by reinvesting the proceeds into another property. These benefits make real estate a tax-efficient way to build wealth. Number 6. Protection against inflation. At number 6 is a huge benefit that often gets overlooked. Real estate is a hedge against inflation. Inflation happens when the cost of goods and services rises and the value of money decreases. But real estate tends to rise with inflation, protecting your wealth from being eroded. When inflation goes up, so do property values and rental rates. This means your real estate investment can actually grow in value during periods of inflation. For example, as the cost of living rises, you can increase the rent on your rental properties to keep pace with inflation. This ensures that your investment continues to generate income that keeps up with rising prices. Number 5. Leverage opportunities. We're halfway through the list, and at number 5, let's talk about leverage. One of the unique benefits of real estate investing is that you can use leverage to buy property. Leverage means using borrowed money to finance your investment. With real estate, you don't need to have the full amount of the property's value up front. Instead, you can put down a portion, say 20%, and borrow the rest through a mortgage. This allows you to control a much larger asset with less of your own money. And here's the kicker. As the property appreciates, you benefit from the full value of the increase, not just the portion you paid for. It's a powerful way to grow your wealth faster than if you were paying for the entire asset out of pocket. 4. You have control over your investment. At number 4, one of the most appealing aspects of real estate is that you have control over your investment. With stocks or bonds, you're at the mercy of market forces or company decisions. But with real estate, you're the one in the driver's seat. You decide where to invest, what property to buy, how to manage it, and what improvements to make. If you want to increase the value of your property, you can renovate it, improve the landscaping, or add amenities that attract higher-paying tenants. This level of control is empowering and allows you to directly influence the return on your investment. It's a level of involvement that you just don't get with other types of investments. 3. Diversification of income streams. At number 3, we have diversification. One of the key principles of investing is to diversify your portfolio to reduce risk, and real estate allows you to do just that. Within the real estate sector, there are so many different ways to invest. You can buy residential properties, commercial buildings, vacation rentals, or even land. Each of these types of investments has its own risks and rewards, allowing you to create multiple income streams from different kinds of properties. By diversifying within real estate, you can spread out your risk and tap into different markets, all while benefiting from the stability and potential returns that real estate offers. Number 2, legacy building and generational wealth. We're almost at the top of the list, and coming in at number 2 is one of the most compelling reasons to invest in real estate: legacy building and generational wealth. When you invest in real estate, you're not just building wealth for yourself, you're building something that can be passed down to your children and grandchildren. Real estate is a tangible asset that can continue to generate income and appreciate in value long after you're gone. Many investors buy properties with the intention of creating a legacy that benefits their family for generations. Imagine owning several rental properties that provide your family with steady income, or a portfolio of properties that continue to grow in value. Real estate is a powerful way to create lasting financial security for the people you care about most. Number 1, demand for real estate will always be there. And finally, at number 1, the most important reason real estate is the best investment for your future is the constant demand. Real estate is something people will always need. As long as humans exist, we'll need places to live, work, shop, and play. The population is growing, and cities are expanding. This means the demand for housing and commercial spaces will only continue to rise. As the world's population grows, so will the need for real estate. This constant demand makes real estate one of the most reliable and secure investments you can make. Unlike other investments that can lose value or disappear, real estate is a fundamental part of society, and that makes it an unbeatable investment for your future. So there you have it, our countdown of the top 10 reasons real estate is the best investment for your future. From steady cash flow to tax benefits, inflation protection, and building a lasting legacy, real estate truly offers a unique combination of security and wealth-building potential. If you're ready to start your journey into real estate investing, now is the time to take action. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tips to grow your wealth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.